The Roman Catholic Diocese of Fort Portal is the diocese located in the city of Fort Portal in the ecclesiastical province of Mbarara in Uganda. This diocese is led by His Lordship Right Reverend Robert Muhiirwa. After a 4-year renovation work, the Catholic Diocese of Fort Portal has reopened the Virika Cathedral with a Holy Mass under the theme, The Joy of Going to God's House. The main celebrant was the Apostolic Nuncio to Uganda, His Excellency, the Most Reverend Luigi Bianco, and the chief guest was Her Excellency Jessica Lupo, the Vice President of Uganda, who represented His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of Uganda.
I am grateful to God and to all of you for this special and solemn celebration of this Sunday, Day of the Lord, in this Our Lady of Snows Virika Cathedral, Diocese of Fort Portal. First of all, we like to greet the distinguished civil authorities present today, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, Honorable Jessica Lupo, and the other dignitaries. We like also to greet again the Bishop of this diocese, His Lordship Robert, the Emeritus Auxiliary Bishop Joseph, and the other.
In his speech, His Lordship Robert Muhiirwa thanked the government of Uganda, his diocese, ministers, and all those who have contributed to the glory of this cathedral.
I congratulate all of you for coming to celebrate with us for this newly renovated Cathedral of Virika. We thank you for being with us today to celebrate this restored Cathedral of Virika. Special gratitude goes to the steering committee, led by no other but by Monsignor Isaiah Mayombo, and the different subcommittees which he has shown us, who have worked tirelessly with great dedication to see that this cathedral reaches the glory that we can see today. As you have heard, this work has taken 4 years. The first 3 years was undergoing critical underground work. When I consulted engineer Deo Katekere for the first time, he was working with Rocco. I asked him, come and do some quick investigation to see how much this work could cost. When he gave me the figure of 5 billion, 3 billion, I just kept it to myself. I didn't want even to share it with anybody because I was so scared. But he kept challenging me. But also the rain kept challenging us as it was hitting us as we were celebrating Mass. As Monsignor mentioned, we started to think of the roof, but as the work went on, we found that we needed more money, from 2 billion to 3-point-something billion. To thank the President of the Republic of Uganda, in 2022, as we're preparing for celebrating Namugongo Martyrs Day, we visited him to Rwaktura with some of the members of parliament, some of the steering committee members. We showed our need. He gave us 1 billion, but he said you can use that money as you want. So we divided it. 500 million went to the celebration of Namugongo, and the 500 we kept to the work of this cathedral. So we are grateful for His Excellency for having contributed to us.
In his message, which was delivered by the Vice President, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni encouraged believers to work hard and asked their leaders to live by example.
As we dedicate the house of God today, I call upon all of you also to rededicate yourselves to God. Work hard and embrace honesty. I encourage all the leaders to lead by example and be the hope of the faithful. The youth, who are the biggest percentage of our population, must be encouraged to work hard and avoid temptation of getting rich quickly, and the NRM government will continue to educate all the people on how to get out of poverty. I congratulate all the people of Our Lady of Snows Virika Cathedral upon the rededication of the house of God today.
M. Frank, UCTV News.